guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a little bit of this snowstorm that we're getting. We're not going out of this house today, so there is quite a bit of snow down. So here she is. So it is drifted quite a bit. I can't see a really good view at the moment because I'm not going outside. But I will show you after. It's still supposed to snow for quite a few hours yet. It may turn to rain, so it may go down a little bit. I am currently making an omelet for myself. It has some onions in it, and I'm putting some cheese and ham slices. So it should be really yummy. That is looking so yummy. Cannot wait to dig into it. So guys, this is really bad. It is quite deep. So let's get to shoveling. So guys, this is how deep it is on our step alone. We are not going to get it off of our step for a while. So I'll show you the high piles once I get some more done. So I just finished shoveling this step so we can try to get out. So now Mark's trying to shovel so we can get off the deck. It is quite freaking deep. There. Can you open it? You should have shoveled here, back here first. Like Mark don't have tall boots. But I don't need tall boots. No, you just gotta shovel your way out. Our shoveling adventures might just be our vlog for the day, because it's gonna take us a while. Everybody's out with their snow blowers. Oh yeah. What are you doing? Woohoo! But I can't get over how deep it is. Like, that's so deep. He almost hit me in the freaking head with that. You can just see on the back of Mark's truck too, it's not as deep as the doorstep, but we got a little bit of a path. Poor Maggie probably needs to come outside and have pee. Oh boy. You see guys, we can't see our step.
We're starting to run out of room.
We really don't know where to shove the snow. And we still haven't even tackled the end of the driveway yet. He's only trying to clean up behind here. We need to invest in another scoop.
Yeah, snowblower next year.
Snowblower, yeah. Sounds good to me. Because we've been here like, it'll be 12 years in June. 12 years? 11 years in June. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, because we'll be together 14 years. So we'll be here 12
years.
This year, yeah.
Somebody come with a fucking gun.
Yeah, we'll be together 14 years in July. And we've been living here for 12 years. You better shut up, you. 14 long years with you.
You ain't fucking innocent either.
Of course I'm innocent. Everybody knows I'm innocent. People are probably wondering why I'm like filming Mark. Because that's my entertainment for the day. What? When he gets his shovel, yeah. I'm not worried about starting the cars today. That ain't happening.
You're gonna have to move the vehicles anyway.
Why?
Because I was only going to get in.
Well, we're gonna have to shovel around it anyway in order for you to get in.
Oh, you could be like the fucking big boys. I'll throw it outside you, right?
Yeah. Don't fall. So hopefully I can get this vlog edited for you guys tomorrow. I was going to do a weekend vlog, but this one is going to be a little bit longer, I suppose, since we got a lot more snow than what I thought. So yeah, and we're not doing anything else today, so hopefully you enjoy this little bit of a snow vlog, watching Mark shovel snow.
You know what you should do?
What?
While you're videotaping, give me some beer.
Yeah, some beer. No.
Look at this Trudeau. No mask.
Oh, shit. Yeah, so this is the only little bit that I've got done so far because this shovel sucks. But she is deep. Like up way past my knees. I wish we had a snowblower. That would be fun. 15 hours later, the snow was up to our waist at the road. And we're almost getting there. The snow is piled quite high. But Mark is getting more done with that scoop than I am. It's starting to rain now, so we need to get it done before it rains too bad. Cute as ever? Yeah, this is a lot. Mark is taking a break too. We got cleared out to the road in one spot, but now we have to do this part. And I'm working on this part. I'm working on this part here to try to bank it up against the trailer to help hold heat in, and the dog's probably freezing on the doorstep. But she didn't want to go back in the house. Look, she's gonna try to climb up on the bank. Look. See her? But she can't get up there. She loves the snow. She was just trying to climb up on the bank, but then she stopped. Day, Megs. She was like, I see you fools. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. I just finished doing all this. I just can't get to the back of Mark's truck yet because he's too close to the doorstep. But I'm not worried about that today. Just everything here so we can get out if need be. Which I doubt it. We're going anywhere. Right? Right? I said we're not going anywhere.
To the fridge for a beer.
Fridge for a beer, yeah, that sounds good. So guys, we're moving Mark's truck because back behind his truck was overloaded with snow. So we finally got the whole driveway done here. And she's quite tall. A lot of freaking snow. And it's a little bit of a mixture of a freeze and rain too. As you can tell by the hood of Mark's truck there. And his tires and everything is layered with a sheet of freezing rain. Here is a quick view of all the snow. Almost up to our windows. So guys, we're in the house now, completely drenched because it's cold outside, but then wearing so many layers, you get freaking hot. And my face is red as a beet. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I was gonna make it a weekend vlog, but I think it's long enough for a one-day vlog because both of us are beat now. And tomorrow I'm going to vlog again for you guys. So I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow, but you never know. So I want to thank you very much for watching. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet done. Come and check out our next vlog, and don't forget to check out our membership shout out in the description below. Have yourself a wonderful day and stay warm.
And stay safe.
Bye-bye.